Hey guys, Mark here, Myrtle Beach Generators. I wanted to reach out specifically to the Chestnut Greens neighborhood, Del-Webb neighborhood up in North Myrtle Beach. I wanted to talk a little bit about something a customer had said to me in regards to a generator estimate that they had gotten. They were told that they had to put a surge protector in, and there is some information on that I would like to share with you. NEC Code 2023 requires homes to have a surge protector in them, so they are not wrong. That is a requirement in 2023 electrical code. However, South Carolina does not operate on 2023 electrical code now. We are currently on NEC 2020. That may change in a year or two or even 5 years from now, but currently that's what we operate on, which is not required to have a surge protector. So the good news is surge protectors are a great device. They protect you from line side surges, which is anything that's going to come from the utility company, which does not protect you from this. Lightning strikes. Clearly, there is no way to measure the voltage and amperage and current that comes out of a lightning strike, because every single one of them is different. Whether it hits right next door to your house, whether it hits a mile away, whether it hits a light pole 3 blocks away, these are not going to protect you from that. And the other thing that most people don't tell you about is your low voltage coaxial cable. Your coaxial cable is what brings your internet to your home, unless you have fiber optic, obviously. But it's that little orange cable or black cable that goes into your HTC, your Spectrum box on the side of your house. That can also carry lightning strike voltage, and that's when most people lose your internet routers or modems or TVs, anything that's attached to a coaxial cable. Now on Amazon, they do have little surge protectors for coaxial cable that are pretty cheap and affordable. You do need to ground those, and we would be happy to do that for you if in the event that you do decide to use us for a generator. We can certainly install one of those for you as well. Now, surge protectors are almost like a one-time use type situation. I don't want to say they'll only work one time, but if you have a surge protector, this is just a Generac one. They come in many shapes and sizes and colors, and they're put in many different places. They can be in your meter can, they could be in your disconnect, they could be in your panel, they can be wired into your panel and mounted next to it or below it. So they can be all kinds of places. On most surge protectors that I've ever worked with, there's a little indicator light, and green is a great thing to see. If you see a yellow or an amber or red light, that means it's done its job and it's time to get replaced. So if you're not paying attention to those and it protects you from a surge, and you don't notice that light has gone red and have it replaced, the next surge you get can cause real damage in your home, and then you'll be confused as to why your surge protector didn't work. It probably did just for the first surge or the second surge. These do wear out over time, so you need to make sure that you are always looking at that indicator light. If you have any other questions about surge protectors, feel free to give us a call, 843-457-8187. You can also email us at info@mb-gen.com, and I look forward to talking to you and helping you any way I can. Have a great day.